Hey guys, it's me, Nerdy Nom Noms, and today I'm going to show you how to make Hearty Clam Chowder inspired by Zelda Breath of the Wild. I've included a link to the recipe in the video description below. Let's dig in. I'm going to start with the prep work, but feel free to skip right onto the cooking section if you'd like. For this recipe, we'll need 2 sticks of butter, 1 large yellow onion, 2 to 3 medium Yukon potatoes, 3 celery stalks, 1 teaspoon of thyme, a half cup of flour, 2 cups of whole milk, 2 8-ounce bottles of clam juice, 2 cups vegetable broth, 2 10-ounce cans of baby clams, some scallions, salt, and pepper. Start by washing your potatoes, celery, scallions, and thyme. While those are drying, we are going to peel and dice the onion. Then we'll dice our celery and peel and dice our potatoes. I'm cutting these smaller than I would if I was making a hearty beef stew because I want the potatoes to be closer in size to the clams. Plus, they will cook faster. Now we're going to give our thyme a rough chop, and lastly, we will thinly slice the greens of the scallions. With the prep work done, it's time to get cooking. Start by melting 1 stick of butter in a Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your onions and cook for 10 minutes until they are soft and translucent. Next, add your potatoes, celery, thyme, a pinch of salt, and a couple grinds of pepper. Cook for another 10 to 15 minutes until the potatoes are tender. Next, add your clam juice and vegetable broth. Bring the whole thing to a boil before reducing the heat to let it simmer. While it's simmering, let's make our roux. So, what's a roux? Quite simply, a roux is a combination of equal parts fat and flour used to thicken sauces, soups, gravies, and in our case, chowder. Roux was invented in France in the 17th century, and it's a key ingredient in 4 of the 5 French mother sauces. It's also a staple for Cajun cuisine. There are 4 different colors of roux: white, blonde, brown, and dark brown. What color you get depends on how long you cook it. For our chowder, we're going to want to make a white roux. In a small saucepan, melt 1 stick of unsalted butter over medium-low heat. Once it melts, add your flour and whisk to combine. Now, keep whisking. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes until the flour is just cooked. Next, we are going to temper our roux by ladling in 1 cup of our chowder broth. We're going to whisk this until it's combined, and then pour it back into our chowder. Stir gently while the chowder thickens. Now it's time for the clams. Add the clams as well as the juice, and then cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we will lower our heat and add in our milk. We're going to cook this until the chowder has warmed all the way through. I like to top mine with scallions or chives, but you could do bacon or oyster crackers, whatever floats your boat. Yeah, this is really delicious. It's creamy and rich and smooth and just really great for combating this crappy, rainy May weather we've been having. It's also really great with a little sourdough bread. Thank you for watching my video on how to make Hearty Clam Chowder from Zelda Breath of the Wild. I would love to see your own creations, so be sure to tag me on social media at NerdyNomNoms42. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe for more nerdy recipes and reviews. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I couldn't do this without you. Farewell, and may the goddess watch over you.